Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to fix something went wrong. Please try again later on Roblox. First, we have to know why this issue happening. This is occurs for three possible reasons. If you try many login fail attempts, it shows this kind of message. Another reason is due to your mobile data network or your Wi-Fi connection not working properly. The final reason is due to this Roblox server is down. So how to overcome this message? So very simple method is open your Google Chrome or any other web browser and go to Roblox website. They will ask for do you want to continue in app, but we will select continue in browser. You may need the necessary information to log in. Log in with your credentials. Next, try to locate a Roblox game. Tap on the play button to open the game. If we try to any Roblox server, the Roblox mobile application is automatically opening. So now you can see that I am successfully joining the Roblox game server. And that's how you can fix Roblox something went wrong. Please try again later login problem. Thank you for watching.